This mass moment of inertia calculator for cylinders and rods quickly computes rotational inertia for common engineering shapes. The calculator starts with a shape type drop-down menu where you can select solid cylinder, hollow cylinder, rod about end, rod about center, or thin ring. For this demonstration, I'll use solid cylinder. Below that, you'll find 3 input fields. First is mass in kilograms, where you enter the object's mass. Next is radius in meters for the outer dimension. The third field is inner radius in meters, which applies only to hollow shapes. After entering your values, click the Calculate Moment of Inertia button. Let's work through an example. I'll input a mass of 10 kilograms and a radius of 10 meters. Since we selected solid cylinder, the inner radius field isn't needed for this calculation. After clicking Calculate, the results show the moment of inertia value, which represents the object's resistance to rotational acceleration about its axis. This value is essential for analyzing rotating machinery, flywheels, and mechanical systems, where rotational dynamics matter. Find the link in the description below.